Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with a few project shares for you. And I want to say this was created on my channel on the 24th, and I was live with Mrs. Gigi and Miss Millie from Millie the Silent Crafter, and here on YouTube, and Mrs. Gigi is also on YouTube. Okay, I had this already prepared with the music paper. All I done was glued some small flatback pearls here. I put two big ones here and one in the center of my two flowers here. And on the back, all you see is all my information for where you can find me, how you can find me on the internet. Let me see something. My brightness is too bright here. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we got that one out of the way. And this, I wrote down some prompts from Becca, who's Create with Becca on YouTube from August 24th, 2021. I wrote them down and I didn't use all of the prompts. I used what I had around me, and one was a sticker. They had napkin and flowers, so I did these two. And then I took some flat back pearls for my bling from one of her prompts. And this is what I came up with. So that's that. And then also that same day, as y'all can see, okay, I already had this index card prepared with a napkin that has a peacock on it with some flowers and trees and stuff like that. All I did was took some white pearls and glued them on, and they reflected blue from the peacock feathers. I also showed you guys, this used to be a coaster that I made for my desk. I got another one from Miss Teresa that's made out of resin. So I wanted to see what I could do with this. And what I did with it was, let me see if I can find the background I did with it. Where did it go? I don't know where it went. But I took it and I made a background with it. What I did was I put my Distress Ink Oxide on here and I stamped it on some cardstock. All you can see is that it's a sample piece of flooring that I made into a stamp. I just double-sided taped I glued it to the block. And then I showed y'all how I store my laces and trims. I have videos on Let's Get Organized, but this was kind of out of its package and just bundled up, so I decided to show y'all on the video how to coil it up and slip it in one of these little pouches here. And the pouch is, I believe, I forgot the size it is. Let me see if I can grab my ruler here. It's 5.5 by 7.5. So, and I got these on Amazon. I use them for my laces, my trims. I'm going to use them for my stamps and my dies. So there's a lot of ways that I'm going to be showing you guys how to use these pouches. So with all that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe and ring the notification bell to get notified of me uploading new content. And also, please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, stay safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, love and light to all. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now. Sorry, I forgot about this little book that I did on my channel. It is designed by May Larson, who is crafting on a budget here on YouTube. And when I get templates like this and I work on them, if I remember who designed them, I will give them full credit no matter what. Okay? It doesn't matter. If I remember who designed the template, I will give them full credit because I'm not the one that designed it. Okay? So, I have 2 signatures in here. And it's a little Halloween journal, junk journal style. This is, but I printed it all on cardstock. Okay? I'm going to show y'all how to hold it closed to tie it shut. This is some ledger paper, music paper, ledger, and it goes on and on and on like that. See? Music, ledger with spider web and a skeleton. I don't know what it, in the wicked path. I guess that's what it says at the bottom here. If y'all can read that. Okay. And then we got more ledger here. And all of this repeat. And then it repeats again on the back here. But it goes in reverse on the back. Ledger with chandelier. Then you got the pumpkin skeleton. I don't know what it says here. And then you got the skull at the top. You got the music paper. Blank ledger paper. Music paper again. And then you got the ledger paper with the script and chandelier. Now on this one, let me see if I can do the color a little better. Where it's not so shiny. Whoops, that's black and white. There we go. Okay. And this one has just a skeleton. It's a sheet of ledger paper with just a little skeleton on it. Music paper. I got a brain fart there. Ledger paper with script writing. Let me see if I can get to the next page. This one has 2 witches on ledger paper. It's all handwritten with a little boy and a little girl with a pumpkin. And there's a witch and a bat. And then ledger paper. And then we go here. Ledger. On the back here is a little girl holding a kitty cat on ledger paper. Here's ledger paper with pumpkins, a cat, a witch, well, 2 cats. You get a cat down here and a cat right here with her cauldron. The witch with her cauldron. More ledger paper. Music paper. Ledger paper with a pumpkin and 2 pumpkins and a black crow. And here's the back with the pumpkin, not the pumpkin, the cat. And I just took the extra music paper that I had and glued it so I can have my twine here to tie it shut. And the side here on the, yeah, I forgot what they call this. I'm drawing a blank. It says wicked. On the spine, it says wicked. Okay, now how I hold this closed to tie it is I take a little clamp, put it at the top. Okay, turn it, tie it tight, and make your bow. There you go. And there you go. See? Now this is my 3 projects. Whoops, no. This is my 1 project that goes with my video for August 24th, 2021. Okay, it's a cute little book. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Please be safe, stay safe. This white is getting me, I don't like how bright it is. There we go. That's a batter. Whoops. Here we go. Okay. Please be safe, be kind, be loving, be crafty, be safe, stay safe. Love and light to all. Hugs to all. Prayers to all. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.
Bye.